Pag 5 minutes.
Battle of third.
Ano badminton?
Battle for third. Ito naman. Bus nagkamali lang. Grabe ka, pinupunan mo na agad yung mga...
Game na. Wala talaga.
Naalala ko talaga yung isang video. Naglaro tayo. Sabi mo, hindi papasa. Kilala ko na yun. Magtumira ng tries. Sabla.
Sa first time. Mas mandatory pa rin tayo.
Sawa ko dun ah. Naalala ko talaga. Kagabi lang.
Second quarter, okay na. Second quarter, okay sa.
Si bowlers kalaban.
Si Bowlers siya ka ano.
Jampol! Jampol! Tara, jampol! Bago-bago na yan.
Kasi, ano naman?
Ano pare? Tulog na?
Pasok na second quarter. Picture na sila. Second quarter.
Ayaw mo.
Team number nila. Oh. Number nila.
Ayoko na yan, kada mga kasita.
Ang dami zero sa kanila yun. Basta ano mo na lang. Ayun mo. Iyan mo na lang yung number nila. Number na lang nila. Ayun. Nakalagay naman dito.
O na yan.
Tandaan mo na lang yung ano nila. Number nila. Alam mo na yung Manila Bowlers. Eh, ano? Yun o.
Ha?
Ano na? Una kayo. Ha? Saka na tayo.
High score.
Pwede ba dito po?
Kasi baka mapatay yung ano ha.
No. Number 12.
Saksakan.
Number 12. Nakuha ni Alvarez. Pass to. Number 13. Bianca. Pass to. Number 24. No good. Number 13. Pars. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 24. Nakuha ni number 24. Pass to number 13. Takes. Pass ulit. Basket by number 13. No good.
Sino yung Shane?
Pass to Rizal. Foul. Who's fouled? Number 3. Number 3, you are first person and first team foul. $15 to shoot. Alvarez. Alvarez. Pass to Arce. Pause. No good. Nakuha ni number 3. Pass to number 2. Pause. No good.
Number 7 yan.
Grabe din. Violation. Pass to number 37. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez. Pass to number 37 ulit. Pass. No good. Ngayon number 30. Number 7. 31. No? Pass to number 12. Pass. Basket by number 12. Number 30, pass to number 27, pass to Arce. Tibir Andres, wala. Kaway number 3. Number 3. Kaway, number 30. Ang gula ng checkpoint mo doon, number 30. Ang dami mong cheerleader.
Uy!
No good. Kaway number 27, pass to Alvarez. Alvarez, kaway number 3, pass to number 7. Number 7, Dalongan. Pass to number 83. Wala. Kawangino, yung number 5. Tibira. 3 points by number 12. Number 30.
For 30.
Number 13. Setting up the play. Pass to Alvarez. Back to number 13. Pass to number 13. Pass to Arce. Arce pass. Isa. Foul. Pass it Barret. Basit Barret.
Basket ba?
Basket. Basket yun?
Basket.
Basket.
Sino foul number 3? Number 3, you are second personal foul, second team foul. Number 31. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 12. Tumira ng 3. Wala na number 83. Foul. Who's foul? Rep number 24. Number 24, you are first personal foul, first team foul. Number 83, first try. Basket by number 83. Second try. Not counted. Bola. Manila Pile. Official score 8-9 in favor of Manila Pile. Number 30, Tiana. Pass to Alvarez. Pupukol ng 3. No good na Wani. Number 3. Number 3. Setting up the play. Pinapaba naman din ang bola. Pass to number 7. Together ng 3. No good na Wani. Number 31. Pass to number 37. Together ng 3 points. Number 3, pause. Pause it pa rin yun. All 12 po ang score natin. Alvarez pass to number 27 ulit. No good. Nawanino, ni number 3. Pinasaan. Danyo. Danyo kung crossover. Kumangga. Pinawira. Sablay. Who's Warren? Number 83. Number 83, you are first personal foul. 13 foul.
13 ball.
First try, no good. Second try. Wala pa rin. Nariba rin number 3. Pinasa ay number 7. Number 7, pupukul yata ako ng 3. 3 points by number 7. Official score 15-12 in favor of Guelab Baller. Ano ba? Pag dead ball po, change 5 na. Number 7, taking up the ball. Pass to number 8, take ulit. Pass to number 3, pause. No good na one number 24. Pass to number 4, Alvarez, tira ng 3. No good pa rin na one number 3. Pass to number 37. Number 77, pause. Pass it. Number 12, Daniel, pass to number 31, Pinoy step, pass to number 7, number 7. Pass to number 37, first, change 5 muna, change 5.
Dito pre, nakascore dito.
Sino na kasi hindi ko? 17. Dito. Dito 7, number 7 yung walang number. Dito. Dapat ano, 7 millimeter. 24.
Sino bang yan?
Sino?
Ang kulit mo eh. Okay, pa ako.
Number 13, pause, no good, out of bounds. Manila Pinoy ball.
Ano? 17, 16.
Isa lang ang lamang ng collab baller. Archangel, pass to Arce. Arce, dribbling on the ball, setting up the play, pass to Archangel. Ule, Gawali, number 3, pass to number 28, pass to number 25. Number 25, basket. Tatlo na po ang kalamangan ng collab ballers. Number 4, pass to Arce. 2 3 point by Arce. Official score po natin is all 1-9. Number 25, nakuha nino. Yung number 28, umisikot. Nakatalang ikot na. Lumisa, foul, and basket by number 28. Kasama dito.
Wala ka dito, number 28. Lalagay na lang kita.
Basket, bonus shot. Alvarez. Alvarez ulit. Pasa kay Archangel. Pass to number 15. Number 15, Rose Force. Basket by number 15. Official score po 22-21 in favor of collab ballers. 3 points by number 0. Ayan na siya, kumakana na naman. No good. Paso, number 0 ulit. Isa pa ba? Isa pa? Wala na. Number 3. Dribbling up the ball. Pass to number 4. Alvarez. Palasan, Rose. Take, Rose. Pause. No good. It's out of bounds. Collab ballers ball. Number 29. Number 29, pinasa kay number 0. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 11, Archangel bumangga. Umisip mo, pumeke, pinali, isa foul. Number 29, you won. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 11, first round, Archangel Logun. Last night by number 11. Basket by number 11. Kalmate lang, kalmate lang, kalmate. Walang mainit, walang mainit. Number 25. Number 25. Nakuha nino. Nino. Isa. Out of bounds. Same ball. Same ball po. Gengo. Number 25. Olive. Pinoy step. Pass to number 29. Ball. No, anong tawag ulit? Anong tawag ulit? Number 24, foul. Number 24, you won. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Pass to number 28. Number 28 siya. Ang tawag. Traffic violation. Official score po natin is 25-22 in favor of collab ballers. Alvarez inbounding the ball. Pass to Arce. Arce dribbling up the ball, setting up the play. Pass to number 15 Ross. Pace. Pass to Arce ulit. Nagtataka pa sa Alvarez. To shoot. Arcangel. Arce. Arce, foul is a foul. Number 0. Number 0 you are. First personal foul. Penalty, ref. Penalty.
Penalty.
Gang, may pa ako, gang. Running time.
Running time yan.
First try. Basket. Last try. Basket ulit. Official score po natin is 25-24 in favor of ballers. Number 0, pass. 3. 10, last 10 seconds. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. After pass. Go. 3, 2, 1. Official score po natin is 24-28 in favor of Collab Colors. Manila Village, picture daw po muna kayo. Manila Village, group picture. Isang spray lang dyan.
Porting lang. Tapos yung next. Next. Collab.
Collab ballers, kayo naman po ang pumunta sa gitna para sa isang group picture po, family picture. Konting bilis na po, sa gitna po, sa gitna. Picture lang po, picture.
Kayo na ba lang?
Okay, okay. Back to the ball game. Open sub na po yan, open sub na. Lahat ng mag-sub ay pwede mag-sub. Tapos po, isang timeout ng bulan yan. Isang timeout ng every team. Pang-crucial lang po ang kailangan yung timeout, pang-crucial game.
Oo nga. Hindi, sabi ko na pag-crucial na, dito lang gumamit tayo. Kasi pag hindi crucial, tayo nila.
Tama, pre, tama.
Diba?
Ano lang, payong,
I love.
payong management lang.
Number 7, pass to number 31. Back to number 7, setting up the play. Number 7, nagalit na papasahan ko nasa kailangan number 3. Number 3 po po ng 3. 3.5. Number 3. Asa ka na? Official score 31-24. Arce, fakes, bounce. Basket by Arce. The scoring machine, Arce. Number 7, setting up the play. Foul. Number 13. Number 13, you are. First personal foul. First team foul.
14 yan. 14.
Number 83. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 3. Mr. Long foul. No good. No one Arce. Arce dribbling up the ball. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez. Pass to number 15. Pass to Arce. Arce the scoring machine. Pass no good. No one Nino the Arce. Number 30. Number 30. Number 2 leader. No good. No one number 3. Number 3. Set up the play. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 31 pace. Pass to number 7 ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 30 points, the foul. Foul. Banyes. Banyes, you won. Wala, hindi pumasok. Banyes, you won. Asan na yun?
Wala na.
First personal foul. First
Team foul. Tama yun.
First team foul. Tama na pala. Hindi, second team foul. Second team foul pala. Lay. Last try by number 30. Wala pa rin ako ino. Yung number 3, the power rebound, the power break, is a foul. Foul. Banyes ulit. Banyes. Dalawa ka na. And third personal foul. Stop it. Stop. Banyes, you were second person. Banyes pala, second personal foul, 30 foul. Last try. Bumaso ang tira. Alfred. Pasu. Number 3. Ang sipag mo, number 3. Number 3 nagpapadali. Tumira. Easy para kay number 3. Alvarez.
Lakata sila
Pasu.
eh. Oh, light
Number
up.
3. Pulse. Basket
Ay, bala.
by number 3. Number 7, Mr. Longer. Pass to number 31. Pass to. Pinasa mo yung rep. Hindi ka sa akin si rep. Number 3. Pass to Alvarez. Sumauli. Pinasay. Archangel. Leader. Nawala yung natin. Oh, it's a foul. Foul. Number 11, Archangel. Angel, you won. First personal foul. For penalty.
Huwa ka na.
Stop it! Stop!
Wala. Tinignan lang nila, tinignan.
Okay na rin. Good lang.
Kuha ka dalawa. Mythical 5.
Oh, sige.
Sa bawat itan.
Okay, ba na?
Isa lang.
Number 30. No good. Archangel. Most of the moves. Pass me. Pinoy step. No good. Nawa Dino. Number 3 pala sa number 3. Number 3 sa kick ball violation. Bola ng delay.
Masarap yan pag natapa. Takbo ka lang mamaya. Oh! Gago. Dapat di rin naglaro. Ganyan, gagi. Sakit yan.
Number 30. Crossover moves to Mira. Wala na wala namin. Number 25. Magbamadali. Ayun na. Hindi mo pipigilan yan. Inikot-ikot mo pa. Number 25. No good. Ayun na mo siya. Nagmamadali na naman. Pinasa na kay number 13. Ang ganda ng paso mo. Mr. 25.
May timeout ata kayo isa. Timeout
May
yan.
tigisang timeout po kayo. Pwede niyo po gamitin yan. Number 4, Alvarez. Mas 2, Arce. Floater groups. Basket by Arce. Number 25. Pass to number 10. Number 10 crossover was playing up the play. Pass to number 7 takes. Pass to number 30 pause. Basket by number 30. Official shot po. 10 ang inahabol ng Manila Pilay. 30, 40. In favor of collab bowlers. Alvarez. Pass to number 15 Ross. Now on number 0. Isa. Foul. Foul number 15, you won.
Sub.
First personal foul. Penalty, red penalty.
passing time ba yun?
Running time yun. Wala yun, hindi talaga ako kung hindi running time.
Huwag yan, bawal yan.
Ha?
Number 0, first run. Basket.
Pumasok dalawa?
Dalawa.
Isa lang.
Dalawa. Time out kayo? Sub lang. Sub daw mamaya.
Number 24, pass to Arce. Arce bars, no good. Going number 12. Foul!
Sub.
Who's foul? Number 24, number 24, you won. Third personal foul. Penalty red, sub. First try, no good. Last try, number 3. The scoring machine. Wala pa rin. Nawang yung Alvarez. Alvarez nagmamadali. Alvarez pinasakay. Kanino ang bola rin?
Sub daw, sub.
Sabi. Rep, same ball po. Last 17 seconds to shoot. Stepping on the line. Kita. Nag-ilaw. Number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 12 ulit. Number 0. Piojo. Pass to number 25. Ang galing mo talaga, number 25. Number 30. Pass to number 24. Pass to Arce. Numero 3. No, Nino. Di number 29. Pinasakay Mr. Pen. Kaptas. Ayun na. I love.
Wala pa, malaki pa oras.
Number 3. Basket by number 3. Official score 46-32 in favor of Golap Ballers. Number 12. Pass yung number 29. Back to number 12. Nawa nito. Yung number 12 pa rin. Yung number 12 pinasa. Number 12 tumira. Wala. Pass na ako ng number 12 tumira. Basket by number 12.
Paul, pa-check na kung naka-live. Live? Pa-check mo. Baka putol eh. Baka putol. Kaya nga, maputol-putol dito eh. Putol?
Number 30.
Ikaw muna.
Pinasay. Sa poke. Number 12. Pass yung number 29. Pass yung number 30. Easy by number 30. Basket by number 12. Arce. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Nawa Nino. Ni number 30. Close up yung loops. Tatlo laban sa dalawa. Ang bilis mo yan. Foul. Sub. Foul. Number 24. Number 24. You are the ball graduate. Ano yun? Pahinga na yun. Dalawang 3 minutes. Wala pa, warning ball graduate pa lang. Hindi ito.
Ay, ito.
Oh, 15.
Basket by number 30 na puna. Wala pala. Wala ulit. Kanilang bola. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Number 1. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Bars. No good ang Manino. Out of bounds. Manila. Pili. Ball. Alvarez. Pass to Archangel. Pass to Ross. Pass to Alvarez. At foul. Number 25. Number 25 you are. First personal foul. First team foul. Time out. Manila Pili.
Bako, G.
3. Dalawang number 3. Saan? Collab sa Manila. Collab sa Manila Billy. Number 3, number 3. Oh. Arce tsaka Sastre. Ito ang magkatunog.
Back to the ball game. Number 11 Archangel. Bakit na ball pass to Arce. Tibira ng 3. Wala. Naman yung number 0.
Kasama lahat ng game nila sa Kuala. Sinumpit ko na. Hindi na gumawa ako.
Number 39. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 35. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakuha nino. Miyase. Pinasa ay. Alvarez. Pass to number 24. Pinasa kanino. Kay. Number 11. Pass to 15. Rose. Tumira. Pass to number 15. Official score. 36-50. Number 12. Pass to number 0. Traveling ang ako ni referee. Last 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Alvarez. Pause. Pass it by Alvarez. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1.
Sino panalo?
Panalo ang Collab Bowlers.